Hello everyone, I'm Wei Jing from class 1FO2 and today I'll be showing you guys on how to draw lines using Cartesian coordinates. Okay, we use Cartesian coordinates to specify a point by enter x and y value separated by a comma, and there are two ways to draw it. The first method we use is the absolute Cartesian coordinates. Remember, we only use this method if we know the precise x and y value of the point. By doing so, we can follow the simple steps by using line command and specify our points. Okay, now let us try to draw a simple triangle by using the absolute Cartesian coordinates. Let us open AutoCAD, and before we start drawing, let us set our drawing limits. Tap limits, and then I want my limits to 10:10, and then I zoom. Okay, then now I can start my drawing. Okay, we have to tap line command to specify our first point. Okay, our first point we start from -2, 1. Okay, then the AutoCAD is asking me to specify the next point. So let me specify the next point, which is 3, 1. And following up by next 3, 4. And then lastly, we have to either click to the end here to form a triangle, or we specify the point by using the first point, -2, 1. So we specify -2, 1. Okay, to make sure our triangle is nicely formed. Okay, now we can see this is the triangle. And now, how are we going to draw the same triangle by using the other method, which is relative Cartesian coordinates? So, relative Cartesian coordinates, we use this method only if we know the location of the point in relation to the previous point. So, the method is also very simple. We have to specify our starting point x and y, and then enter at x, y. So let us draw the same triangle by using AutoCAD. Okay, now let us using line command, and then we have to specify our first point. Then we specify the first point as 3, 4. And AutoCAD is asking me to specify the next point. Let us using at 0, -3. Okay, which means the line is moving downwards by 3 along the y-axis. Okay, the next point at -5, 0, which means the line is moving to the left by 5 along the x-axis. And then followed by at 5, 3, which means the line is firstly moving right by 5 along x-axis and follow up by 3 along y-axis. Okay, now we can see the triangle is nicely formed, and then we can compare. This is the same triangle we draw from the previous one, we using the absolute Cartesian coordinates. Okay, you can see it's very simple and it's very easy to learn. Yeah, hope you guys can understand the video, and yeah, thank you for watching.